This is my neighbor man's chickens. That brown one right there has got a frog. And everybody else is chasing her. She's trying to figure out how to swallow it. Okay, this is not shaped like a worm. How do I swallow this damn thing? She's chomping and chomping, and it ain't going down. And everybody else wants a bite. There she is. She's still got it by the back leg. I cannot swallow this damn worm. What is the matter here? Peck, peck, peck. Won't go down. Give me a bite, give me a bite. Give me a bite of your worm. Four-legged worm. Look at her. Everybody else wants it. No, be quiet, puppy. Look at the poor chickens. Oh, and I just know this worm is going to be delicious. It's so big. My worm, my worm. I'm not going to share. This is my worm. It's over there behind the ladder. Her beak is too short to tear it up.